Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix portrait 2x zoom not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, close the camera app and reopen it again. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update iOS version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data and media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is remove the iPhone case and remove camera lens and clean from soft cloth and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact me support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix portrait 2x zoom not working on iPhone after iOS 17 updated successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.